real fast, I figured I would show you guys how to put this together. This is the hair tool organizer. So right off the bat, I'm going to line it up. There are holes in this metal part and in the wood. And then I am putting this part that has these holes right here towards the front, because according to the picture, it looks like we will attach this right after. So I'm just gonna tighten up both sides of my fingers first. And what's awesome is it does come with the nail, or the screws, I'm sorry, and a little screwdriver, so you're not needing to search for anything at all. And this is the little screwdriver it comes with. So super duper easy to use. And then this little guy, it looks like it can go in like that, or you can do it like this. So depending on your preference, I personally would do this, because then you have basically like a little basket, right? And then of course it comes with screws for this part too. And these are a little bit smaller of screws. And here, I'm gonna go on the outside to make it easier on me so I don't drop the little nail. But super duper easy to put together, and I'm so excited to utilize it.